Hello, I am Dr. Patricia Cohen. I am the Dean of Nursing at Bryant Stratton College. In my role as Dean of Nursing, I enjoy being a champion of students, and I advocate that my students have all the resources they need to be successful in the classroom, in clinical, and also in their future career as a nurse. To ensure that our students are workplace ready, we have enhanced our simulation lab and our skills lab to ensure that students are doing simulation in each clinical course so that they get that hands-on learning that they need for their future career. My leadership creates a culture where faculty can empower students who are facing challenges, and we work with students to try to overcome those challenges, and we provide resources so they can be successful in the classroom despite these challenges. I'd like to share a story with you about a former student I had. She was in my first class that I ever taught, and I have worked with her over the years. Even after graduation, I was her preceptor in her BSN program at Bryant Stratton College. She did the BSN program, and I encouraged her to do her MSN in education, and she is now the program director of the practical nursing program. So I always tell my students, you better watch out, because I may be coming for you in a couple of years after graduation to come work for us at Bryant Stratton College. Behind every graduate is someone who believed in them, and I am proud to be that person.